How to copy a Facebook post link. To get started, first of all open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts from friends and pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, scroll down and go over to any post on your news feed. Then, tap on the share option below this post. You can view all the available sharing options over here. Now, tap on Copy Link at the bottom. You have successfully copied the link to this post. You can now share this link with your friends so that they can see the post. You can repeat the same steps to copy the links of other posts as well. Following these steps, you can easily copy a Facebook post link. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.